In today's video, I'm going to show you how to block sites in Chrome using a simple and free extension so you can stay focused and remove distractions in just a few clicks. This is a great method if you want to block websites for productivity, study sessions, work time, or just to keep yourself from opening certain sites again and again. If this video helps you, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy tutorials just like this. Alright, let's get started. First, open Google Chrome on your computer. Once Chrome is open, look to the top right corner and click the three dots menu. This opens the main Chrome menu. From there, hover over extensions and then click Visit Chrome Web Store. This will take you directly to the official store where you can install browser extensions safely. In the Chrome Web Store search bar, type BlockSite. When the results appear, click on BlockSite, block websites, and stay focused. Make sure you choose the correct extension so you install the right one. On the extension page, click Add to Chrome. Chrome will ask you to confirm the installation, so click Add Extension. After that, the website blocker will install automatically and you'll see it added to your browser. Now that the extension is installed, go to the website you want to block. Open that website in a new tab the same way you normally would. Next, look at the puzzle icon beside the address bar. This is where Chrome keeps your extensions. Click the puzzle icon, then find and click BlockSite from the list. When BlockSite opens, it may show a prompt asking for permission or agreement. Click I accept to continue. After that, you'll see the option to block the current website. Click block this site and the page will be added to your block list right away. From now on, whenever you try to visit that site in Chrome, BlockSite will stop it from loading. This makes it much easier to stay focused and avoid distractions during work, school, or research. If you ever want to manage your blocked websites later, you can go back into the BlockSite extension and adjust your settings anytime. And that's it. You've now learned how to block sites in Chrome using BlockSite. It only takes a few minutes, and once it's set up, it can make a big difference in your daily focus and productivity. If this video helped you out, please give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.